Hello, everyone! This video will show you how to restore your Notezilla data from a backup. Notezilla keeps multiple local backups of its notes data. Restoring notes from a backup is very easy and convenient. Let's see how. From the Windows search bar, search for Notezilla Troubleshooter. The following window will appear. Select this option to restore your Notezilla data. You can restore data from a custom folder or from Notezilla's backup folder. Select a backup set. Click on Restore. That's it. Notes data restored within seconds. The Notes browser will automatically open so that you can check the notes restored. You can revert to the previous data if you are not satisfied with the current data restored, or restore from another dataset. Click on Yes and Finish. Don't forget to go to Notezilla settings and configure it as per your needs. The feature you are looking for may be hiding in the settings. Download Notezilla for free today from our website, conceptworld.com. Also, check out more Notezilla videos to explore other interesting features. Thank you.